We all know makhana is healthy, but this version takes it to a whole another level. There are just some days when out of nowhere you feel like eating something light, healthy, and snacky, right? Well, this is that snack. Super quick, super tasty, and guilt free. All you need is a 1 cup of makhana, a pinch of salt, pepper, and some dry mint leaves. In a pan, heat a little bit of ghee, sprinkle mint powder, pepper, and salt on top, and roast the makhanas for 2 to 3 minutes till they turn nice and crispy. And you're all done. That's it. Your crispy, refreshing, healthy minty makhana snack is ready. Perfect for tea time or those mid work cravings.